his in front of his ears. Because you don't want to cover up the ear, but you can, there's usually a little bit right there in front. He's an older lion. He's kind of getting bald on top. Okay, we'll give him a hat. Okay, so I'll just use a ball and just flatten it. And this will be for the brim of the hat. And I can kind of see if it's going to be a good size. Probably going to be a bit big. Okay, so do water, pop it on. We're going to need some spaghetti through here because the hat's going to be kind of heavy. There we go. Oh, just repositioning. Okay, and then the top of the hat, we'll take this, a ball, and just do a little bit like this. Flatten the top a bit, little water down here, and place it over the top of the spaghetti. Okay, so there's that. Let's take the paint, the food color, and we'll take that and we'll do his eyes. And we can do a little bit of trim on his jacket, like right around here, just to add another color, like back here. A button here. Get rid of this eyeball that was left down here.